Hi, I'm Ishan Dawady, and I'm in 7th grade and I go to Pearson Ranch Middle School, and here's my Pi Hackathon project. So, my project is called Some Guesses, and it is a Python game where I take 3 randomly generated numbers and I sum them up, and then the player or the user has to guess, and like I'll ask them questions like, do you think the sum is greater than or less than 450? And they'll have to answer. And each question correct is worth 1 point, and each question wrong is worth -1 points. So if you get a score of 5 or greater, then you beat the game. So yeah, and then here you can look at the code for a little bit. Okay, now let me run it. So here I'll do this, and then I'll say greater, and it might repeat sometimes, but that's fine. Greater, and then 950 I'll say less than, 350 greater, 550 greater. I think it's less than 750 though, and greater than 550, and less than 950. I think it's less than 750. And the last question, I think it's greater than 350. Now it's done, and I didn't win. My final score was -3. So I got a lot of questions wrong, and the sum of the numbers was actually 692. And yeah, this is basically how my game works. So yeah, thank you. I hope you like this, and yeah.